In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious creative party idea recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need jalapenos, cream cheese, and smoked turkey sliced. Cut a zigzag line through the center of each of the jalapenos. Once separated, we're going to cut the bottom off of the piece that doesn't have the stem. Remove the seeds completely from each of the halves. We're going to spread a small amount of cream cheese on each of the turkey slices. We're going to fold the turkey slice in half and then we're going to roll it up. Once it's rolled up, we're going to place the sharper end into the jalapeno. Our creative party idea is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.